and Assalamualaikum. I am Ili Tihani binti Ikhwan from 2 PPI SMP Science 2. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys some unplugged activities that you can do at home. These unplugged activities have been one approach to introduce computational thinking to students before any form of coding is involved. So let's check it out.
The first activity is jigsaw puzzle. In this activity, students will be given the puzzle pieces that have been mixed. They have to complete the puzzle to know what is the picture of the puzzle is about. In this activity, there are several elements of computational thinking that involve. First is decomposition. When students get the jigsaw puzzle, students will think that the puzzle is a large problem to solve, so they need to break it down into smaller parts that are easier for them to solve. Second is pattern recognition. When they see the pieces picture, they will notice that there are several pieces that have green color. Third is abstraction. Students then further sorted the pieces containing green color. Next is algorithm. When solving the puzzle, students will think in their brain the step and the sequence they have to do to solve the problem. For example, firstly, students will look for similarly colored pieces and then grab an appropriate pieces to test it whether it match or not. This process will continue until the green pieces get done. And lastly is evaluation. When students testing out their strategies for solving the puzzle and improving them along the way is evaluation. The second game is code breaker. After students complete the puzzle, they will know that the picture is about life cycle of butterfly. And then the students are asked to explain about every stage of the cycle. Then the student will be given a printed paper with code breaker and no further information. They have to try to decipher the code as best as they can. In this activity, there are several elements of computational thinking that involve. First is logical reasoning. When students get the worksheet of code breaker, they will start to think what is the number stand for. Second one is decomposition. When students found out what is the number refer to, which is the alphabet, they will list the code to make it easier for them to refer. Next is pattern recognition. When solving the code, students will notice that some of the code is repeated, so they don't have to think for the same code again and just simply use the same answer. And the third game is Fold It. Student will be given several pieces of paper with picture. The picture are the sequence for making butterfly origami that have been mixed. They need to arrange the cutout of the picture to get the correct sequence of steps. Then follow the given step to make a butterfly origami. In this activity, there are several elements of computational thinking that involve. The first one is algorithm. When students compose the picture, they will think in their brain which picture should be the first step, which picture should be the second step, and so on, to create a butterfly origami. The second one is evaluation. After they have finished composing the picture, they will follow the step that they have composed and try to create a butterfly origami. If they can't make a butterfly origami, means that the sequence is wrong and they have to rearrange the picture to get the correct sequence.
And that's all from me. Thank you.